Hello and welcome to my Safety Hub, your go-to source for all things health and safety. My name is Dylan Steyn and welcome to a very special episode. Have you ever asked the question, how can I make my health and safety training more immersive, more educational and feel more realistic? Well, we've got the answer for you. Our friends over at Ludus has sent us a very special package, and Ludus is a company based in Europe that specializes in VR health and safety training, and they were kind enough to sponsor us with their new Pico 4 Ultra headset, and they've preloaded 5 different training modules for us to check out, and I'm very keen to see what that looks like. But before we get into the actual training modules themselves, let's unbox this baby and see what's inside. Right, so straight off the bat here we have a USB-C to HDMI adapter. Now remember, the name of the game here is training. So ideally what you would use this for is to demonstrate what is happening on the VR headset on a screen for your other candidates. For example, if you perform firefighting, you would see on the screen how the candidate is actually performing the techniques within this standalone product. To reiterate on that, Ludus has provided us with one of their standalone VR headsets, which means you don't need to have a laptop or computer present to utilize the functionality of the system, which is absolutely awesome. Further to that, we've got the new Pico 4 Ultra, and I must say this is quite the unit, and I'm going to delve into this in just a moment. Further to that, we have our 2 Joy-Con controllers, we have some spare batteries, and naturally our charging station with our USB-C adapters. Right, now that that's out of the way, let's start this baby up and actually show you guys the interface. Before I start my screen share, if you would like to request a free demo from Ludus themselves, I'll leave that link in the description below. Please also note that this video is sponsored by Ludus, but all opinions will be our own to give you as the viewers the most accurate information possible. Now that being said, let's dive into the actual headset itself. So first up, just adjust the strap to make sure we are nice and comfortable. Alright, so I am locked in steady over here, grabbing my Joy-Cons, and now let's quickly do a screen share here so you guys can see what I'm seeing. And also, by the way, this has dual cameras on the front facing here so that I can actually see what is happening around me, which is quite cool. So let's go ahead and start up. So now we are in the Ludus interface over here. Let's just go back to the home screen to show you how that looks like. And oh my goodness, I'm standing in the middle of a pond. Now let me just do a quick turn here so I can show you guys the view that I'm seeing, and this is astonishing. It takes me back to my younger days when I was still fishing with my father, and I'm kind of reminiscing at this point in time. Awesome experience right out of the bat. But more importantly, let's have a look at what training modules are available. So I'm not going to go through the setup because if you request your free demo, one of the Ludus agents will take you through this entire process as you need to create your own profile. But that being said, let's head over to our library and into the Ludus platform. Right, we are now in the Ludus platform, and I obviously have my own login credentials, which we'll go ahead and accept. Now that we've logged in, this is going to be your home page for all your training requirements. And as we can see here, we have been loaded with 5 different courses, which we will be demoing throughout the course of the series. We have first aid, where I can see this gentleman is choking, so I'm thinking that we will be looking at choking scenarios. We have the use of FHC, which is our fire hose cabinet. So I'm guessing we would need to know how to open it, how to use that type of equipment. Firefighting, so that tells me we are going to have to select fire extinguishers and possibly extinguish fires. I'm quite keen for that one. Waste management, that's a good one. I definitely think some of us would benefit from using this waste management training course. And then lastly, the one I was hoping for is CPR. This is one of their newer training courses, and I believe this to be quite immersive. We don't use the Joy-Cons, you actually use your own hands, which I'm very keen to look at. So now that we can see, this is all the training courses that are available to us, and I'm very excited to delve into it. So if you are also excited to see what the content is of these training courses, stay tuned. And then for the viewers out there, as always, stay safe, stay inspired, and until next time, take care.